Today's math lesson is titled Going to Isabel's Home. Isabel invited some friends to see a movie at her home. Her friends read the block signs as they drive down Maple Drive. Write in the missing numbers. So we need to figure out what number is missing here, what number is missing here, and what number is missing here. We know that this is 1100 Maple Drive. We don't know what goes here, but we know this is 1300 Maple Drive. Do you think we are moving by 100s or by 10s? Correct. I think we're moving by 100s. So if this is 1100, this must be 1200. This is 1300. So this must be 1400. What do you think goes next? Correct. 1500. And last we have 1600. Now, Isabel lives at 1426 Maple Drive. Circle Isabel's block sign on the map above. So she lives at 1426. Does she live in 1300 block or 1400 block? Yes, I think she lives in 1400 block. Let's move on. Each block on Maple Drive goes up by 10, 100, 1000. So what numbers are we going up by? By 10s, 100s, or 1000s? We went from 1100 to 1200 to 1300. So what are we going up by? Tens, hundreds, or thousands? Yes, I think we're going up by 100s. Next question. Isabel's friends are at the 1100 block sign. How many more blocks do they need to drive to reach Isabel's block? So Isabel's friends are at the 1100 block sign. So that means they are right here at 1100. We start at 1100 and we end at 1400 because that's where we said Isabel lives. Each of these jumps equals 1 block. We want to know how many blocks does it take for Isabel's friends to get from here, 1100, to Isabel's home at 1400. Let's count them. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. So Isabel's friends are at 1000 block sign. How many more blocks do they need to drive to reach Isabel's block? 3 blocks, 2 blocks, 1 block. Right, we said 3 blocks. Next question. Isabel's childhood friend Zoe lives in the 1200 block. How many blocks away is Zoe from Isabel's house? So Zoe lives at 1200 block. So let's go back. Zoe lives at 1200 block. That's where we're starting. We want to end at Isabel's block at 1400. So remember, we need to count. Each jump makes 1 block. So let's start. Get ready. 1, 2. Zoe needs to go 2 blocks to get to Isabel's house. So how many blocks away is Zoe from Isabel's home? 6 blocks, 4 blocks, or 2 blocks? Yes, Zoe is 2 blocks away from Isabel. Last question. Write the numbers in order from greatest to least. Greatest means biggest, least means smallest. So remember, we said each block goes up by 100. So we're not going to go up this time, we're going to go down. We're taking away 100. So we need to focus on the 100th place value. This is ones, this is tens, this is the hundreds, this is the thousands. We are focusing on the hundreds place value. So if I need to go down by 100, this next number will be 5,300. Going down another 100 makes this 5,200. What do you think will be in this last box? Yes, 5,100. From greatest to least, going down by 100, it's 5,400, 5,300, 5,200, and 5,100. Well, that's all for today. Great job. Until next time.